Hello all, let us see some options for CAD tool, its cost and some suggestion. This video is exclusively meant for a freelance translator. Shall we start? Okay. The best of CAD tool is always Trado Studio, which was earlier called SDL Trado Studio. Its price is $845, but the reseller would give you discounts based on your country. That is, the price varies from country to country. So check with your reseller of your country. Next comes MemoQ. So MemoQ costs around 770 American dollars and you may get some discount. I would suggest you check the official website for the details. Next comes WordFast Pro. WordFast Pro is also a wonderful tool that may be comparable to Trados and MemoQ. It costs you like $460 and sometime if you are from certain countries you may get a 50% discount. Please check the official website for accurate pricing. Then comes a budget category which is Captran Espresso. It is written in Java language and it works on several platforms. It costs you $200 for a permanent license and $80 for a subscription pricing. Even without buying the software, you can use the software in demo mode with limited option. Like you can save segments up to a particular level and you can build a TM up to a particular memory size. So you can use it forever but with the size and TM limitations. It is also a good CAD tool. For a beginner and students and newbies, Omega T. Omega T can also be used by professionals if you are not ready to invest in CAD tool, and if you want only a free CAD tool you can always think about Omega T. Omega T is a free software and it is open source, so if you are a programmer you can change the program, compile it and customize the program based on your needs only if you know the programming and related concepts. So it is a wonderful CAD tool that is available in free. Obviously you can't compare Omega T with WordFast or SDL Trados because every CAD tool has its own set of features and all CAD tools have some common features. Okay, so in summary, for beginners, students and even professional, if you are highly budget conscious and if you are not ready to invest in a CAD tool or spend money in a CAD tool, I suggest you to think about Omega T. Use any CAD tool because every CAD tool will help you improve your productivity, quality and consistency. Okay, so if you don't have any budget you can think about Omega T. If you are happy with Omega T you can keep on using that. Next, a better category, you can think about WordPress Pro. So WordPress Pro has very good feature that is on par with the Trados and MemoQ. Okay, and last but not the least, always SDL Trados and MemoQ are the top level software, highly feature rich and expensive, but it gives you wonderful set of features that you can always use it to your benefit. Apart from that, what are all the factors that affect the CAD tool? So your budget matters, your operating system matters. For example, Trados Studio works only in Windows, whereas its cloud version Trado Studio Live works in browser in any operating system. Similarly, every CAD tool works on certain platform only. Not every CAD tool works on every platform. For example, Omega T works on Windows, Linux, Mac and Sun Solaris operating system. So even operating system plays a role in deciding the CAD tool. First comes budget, then there is operating system and file format. Depending on the file format that you are going to handle, you can make the CAD tool very simple, or you can choose the high-end CAD tool or CAD tool like MemoQ or Trados. And also, client may insist you to use only a specific CAD tool. So in that case, that also impacts your decision. And there may be other factors also. So to summarize, budget, operating system, file format that you are going to handle, client preferences and any other factor that is not covered in this video. I hope this video is useful to you. Kindly like and support us. Thank you. Have a nice day.